Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
What is your nationality?
I'm an American.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak it.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am one.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with family.
Can you teach me English?
Yes, I can teach you.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Is English your favorite subject?
Yes, it is indeed.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter season.
Are you good at cooking?
Yes, I'm good enough.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play guitar.
Have you visited another country?
Yes, I visited before.
Is music your hobby?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I do believe.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No, I'm not afraid.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
Have you ever seen snow?
Yes, I've seen snow.
Are you good at swimming?
Yes, I swim well.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs more.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Can you speak more languages?
Yes, I speak too.
What do you love about nature?
I love the fresh air.
Where can I get spicy food?
At the restaurant nearby.
What's the best spicy dish?
Spicy chicken curry.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes away.
Is it expensive?
No, it's affordable.
Can I eat there?
Yes, they have seating.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite is Olive Garden.
Why do you like it?
They serve great pasta.
Where is it located?
It's in the city center.
How often do you visit?
I visit once a month.
What's their best dish?
The Alfredo pasta is amazing.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 1.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I enjoy them.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax or go out.
When do you visit your grandparents?
I visit them monthly.
What do you do in your free time?
I read or watch movies.
Can you paint landscapes?
Yes, I love painting them.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
What is your favorite day?
My favorite day is Friday.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Whose bag is this?
It's my sister's bag.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my dad.
Have you seen this movie?
Yes, I've seen it.
Whose car is parked outside?
It's my uncle's car.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, I haven't been.
Whose laptop are you using?
I'm using my brother's.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it's raining now.
Who helps you with homework?
My brother helps me.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Who is calling you now?
My friend is calling me.
Are you feeling cold?
No, I'm not.
Can we meet next week?
Sure, that sounds good. Bye bye.